All right, folks, it's Mark Sugar here at Dodge City in Saskatoon at the corner of 8th Street East and Preston Avenue. Look what we got here. Ford Raptor keys there. So we have all the features on there. Trunk goes down with that button, remote start, unlock, lock. Let's have a look here. So obviously we have the TRX. That's brand new, and this one is a 2019, so we took this in as a fresh trade-in today here. Recovery tow hooks along the bottom there. You see the lights there. When the body is so wide, you have to have extra safety lights right there, and you have a camera, 360 cameras here, extra lights here as well. Look at these beefy tires here. So you got the vents here. Running boards on this one. We'll go in at last. Key punch your way in there. Crew cab, or I guess with I sell Ram trucks, so we call it crew cab with the Ram truck, so they call it SuperCrew, I think, in Ford language. Mud flaps on there, and still got to wash it up. Like I said, we just took it in. Take a look at the shocks there. Blind spot radar on the back there. More lights. Recovery tow hooks on the back as well. Let's see if this key fob works. Press twice. That should come down. Looks like they got just that man step in here. Okay, so we'll clean that up. We just took it in. Box cover. Tailgate's not made out of aluminum. A little heavy, or I'm getting weaker. Look at those wide flares on there. Okay, so let's take a look inside here. Let's take a look on the back there. So you have kind of like a blue suede with leather trim on the back here. Heated seats in the back. You got the full panoramic sunroof. Let's go around to the driver's side. Keyless entry there. Big mirrors. Blind spot monitoring right there. Vents on the side. Look at that big beefy hood there. Let's go look inside. So punch in your code, whatever it is. Good to go. And we're going to start it up as well. So memory seats. 3 memory settings. Nice big wide side steps. Ford performance. Lumbar support. Power seats. Up, down, every which way. Yeah, nice suede here. Nice embroidery. Raptor. Here we go. Actually, it's a big truck, but it's nice and easy to get into. So you got your paddle shifters there. 57,000 kilometers on this one here. Lane keep assist. Big gear shifter. Air-cooled seats, 3 settings, heated seats. You're gonna have to start this up, it's heavy. So here, I'll roll down the window just so we can hear it. Oh, let's turn the music off there. All right, let's start her up. Okay. Digital speedometer, navigation, all your safety features, automatic stop-start, hazard lights. Lots of space here. All your auxiliary switches are up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got a few more buttons up here as well. You have your garage door opener right here. Mirror here. Let's see if there's a mirror on this side. Yes. All right. So that's just a quick look. Okay. So navigation you got on there, so your satellite radio, all the buttons, trailer backup control right here, 4 high, 4 automatic, 4 high, 4 low, steering wheel controls, volume settings. You know, that's pretty self-explanatory right there. Use your settings here for in here, set it up however you like it, and yeah, so just give you a quick look there. Like I said, we'll clean it up here. We just put this in on trade a few minutes ago, but I wanted to show you guys real quick the Ford Raptor today. Okay, Ford Raptor. Trailer brake controller here. The Ram has this now too. But Ford came out with panoramic sunroof first in the trucks, and push button start there as well. Some people like the feel of this gear shifter better. That's pretty big and beefy, so people seem to like that. Okay, so there's a good look. We'll go outside. We'll take one more look at it. do one more walk around. Let's lock it up. All right, so there it is, Ford Raptor. Come and get it. Dodge City. Look at that big grill.